When activated, the rear seat reminder can help enhance child protection by alerting the driver to check the rear cabin and seats before leaving the vehicle. This smart standard feature remembers if the rear doors were opened before a drive begins. Then, after the drive is over and the vehicle is turned off, the driver is reminded to check the rear cabin with an audio alert and a check rear seats warning message in the instrument panel. This can help ensure no kids or other important things get left behind. On Odyssey LX models, the rear seat reminder feature can be turned off using the driver information interface and steering wheel controls. First, press the home button on the left side of the steering wheel. Then, scroll to Settings using the up-down arrows and press Enter. Scroll to Vehicle Customization and press Enter. Scroll to Meter Setup and press Enter. Scroll to Rear Seat Reminder and press Enter. Finally, use the up-down arrows to select Off, then press Enter. The rear seat reminder will then remain disabled until turned back on using this procedure. On Odyssey EX and above models, an alert will sound, and the Check Rear Seats warning message will display on the driver information interface when the vehicle's power mode is turned off after a drive. So you're reminded to check behind you. To turn the rear seat reminder feature off on display audio models using the touchscreen, touch the Home button. Select Settings. Select Vehicle. Select Meter Setup. Select Rear Seat Reminder. Select Off. The rear seat reminder will then remain disabled until turned back on using this procedure. The Odyssey Touring and Elite are equipped with the Cabin Watch feature, and the rear seat reminder uses it to automatically deliver a live view of the entire rear cabin area on the touchscreen when the power is turned off after a drive, if the rear doors were opened before the drive began. With the rear seat reminder, Honda makes it easy to remember what you might otherwise be leaving behind when your drive is over.